on, guys? Today I'm a little cowboy because we came on Real Farm. You can feed animals here, ride on horses, and feel like a real cowboy. Adventures are waiting for us right now. Come with me. I think we need to take a ride on the train to get to the right place and see what is on this farm. The farm is so big that you definitely cannot deal without transport here. See, what beautiful houses. Wonder what's inside there. Sure to see. Oh, and I also see animals. How cute are they? And how many of them? Oh, we arrived at the right station. Want to finally watch who lives here, then ran. Loves ice cream as much as me. I'm going to eat this big now. It seems someone wants to eat it too.
Oh, thank you so much.
Huh?
What do you think? And we have my ice cream. And now I need to feed the animals. But for this, you need to harvest first.
Yeehaw! Wow.
This is the crop we got. Put likes and subscribe to my channel. Well, it's time to feed our animals forward. Oh, I already saw you. You want to come here? In my opinion, she is very hungry. She's gonna eat all the carrots now. But I need to feed the bunnies as well. I just grabbed the carrot, and this goat is right here. Bye-bye, little goat. Let's go feed the donkeys. Do you know that donkeys also like carrots? And also donkeys have a great memory and can even remember people's faces. Oh, neat! Now it's your turn.
Uh-oh.
Here, take it.
Huh?
And I'll feed you. Oh, she almost bit my finger off. I'm telling you, she almost bit my finger off. Sorry, there's no more food. Only cabbage left. Would you like some? Here's a riddle for you. What an adult cow drinks? Not right, cow drink water. And we are people her milk. I hope you did not answer differently. We caught and fed everyone at the farm. I need a horse. from driving high and see everything round. How do I look as a cowboy? I thought I needed something faster. And I want to take a ride with my mom. How do you like this attraction?
Are you ready? Yeah.
Wow, what is this? This is a real dog show. Let's go watch. This is a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Do you have a dog at home? The last thing I just had to show you. This scientist mail. Let's take a look inside. Mom, I need my hat. Throw her to me, please. See, here stands a real ram scientist. He is so serious, as if he knows all the secrets. And this is what we have here. Different models of sheep, their wool. Ooh, and this is a real skeleton. What a creep, but very interesting. Sheep cut, so that she doesn't get too hot, and then her wool will be used to make lots of useful things. Well, that's all our tour came to an end. Bye-bye, guys. Put likes and subscribe to my channel. See you!